Today's house stands out for the way it fits into the steep topography of the land. Its floor plan is laid out in a staggered configuration that follows the slope, creating a discrete and fragmented presence that seems to emerge naturally from the ground. Clad in weathered Corten steel, the structure blends in with the eroded granite and the reddish tones of the surrounding pine trees. Located in San Lorenzo del Escorial, a small town near Madrid, Szoke House occupies a hillside on Mount Abantos and unfolds along a north-south axis. The entire envelope, including the sloped roofs, is finished in a single Corten steel solution. This material enhances the connection with the terrain and adds durability to the structure against the region's climate. The multi-level layout allows each space to connect with the landscape in a unique way, maximizing natural light, solar orientation, and views. On the main level, the entrance divides the house into two wings. To the left, the bedrooms. To the right, the social areas, kitchen, living and dining room, and library. The library sits at the highest point of the house and offers the best views of the landscape. The lower level includes an office, game room, workshop, laundry room, storage, utility area, and a guest suite. In winter, large openings ensure that even the last ray of sunlight on the shortest day of the year reaches the main facade. In summer, the house opens to the northeast with a generous porch facing the domes of the nearby monastery, encouraging cross-ventilation with the cool forest air. Szoke House is an example of architecture that intelligently adapts to the land, respects the natural environment, and creates a quiet, functional, and visually harmonious retreat in the landscape.